This is Natarajan. Welcome to the engineering graphics class. Today in the projection of solid, I will explain how to solve the problems in the prism. Square prism of base height 40 mm and axis length 60 mm resting on HP and one of its base edges with the axis inclined at 45 degree to HP and parallel to VP. Draw its projections. Here, the problem is a square prism. Side is given as 40 mm, length is given as 60 mm, resting one of its base edges. Okay. Here the base edges is 3, 4 is the base edges. Okay. And axis angle is theta is 45 degree. It has given us 45 degree to HP and parallel. Here the axis is parallel. When we from the top, you can see the square of 40 by 40 true shape. That is the meaning for axis is parallel to VP. Axis வந்து parallel இருக்கு. When we from the top மேலே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the square தெரியும். First square வந்து 40 by draw the 40 by 40 square. Mark as A of 1, B of 2, C of 3, D of 4. Here B is visible, A is invisible, therefore it is B dash of A dash. Here C is visible, D is invisible, therefore it is C dash of D dash. Here 2 is visible, 1 is invisible, therefore 2 dash of 1 dash. Here 3 is visible, 4 is invisible, therefore 3 dash of 4 dash. So mark these points. Now in the second step, here the axis is inclined 45 degree, that is theta. Theta you cannot draw directly. So because we don't know the axis touching point, the reference line. Therefore here the angle is 90 degree. Axis this axis inclined with the base is 90 degree. So 90 minus theta 45. Therefore base angle is 45 degree. So mark 3 1 dash 4 1 dash, and here with reference to the reference draw a 40 degree inclined line in a anti-clockwise directions. Protractor anti-clockwise direction 40 degree line varinga. Okay. So mark as 2 1 dash and 1 1 dash line. இப்போ இந்த லைன் வந்து ஆக்சிஸ் வந்து it is perpendicular to the base. Okay. So இந்த angle எப்பவுமே 90 degree இருக்கும். So 90ல minus 45. So 90 minus theta. 90ல 45 minus பண்ணீங்கன்னா you can get the base angle. So base angle is 45 degree. So 3 1 dash 4 1 dash anti-clockwise, it is clockwise direction. Okay. Clockwise direction draw a 40 degree line. Okay. So now 3 dash to 2 dash as radius, 3 1 as center, cut an arc. So then the length you can get this length. Okay. Now from 3 1 dash draw a perpendicular line. This protractor draw a perpendicular line to height of 60 mm. Height of 60 mm or arc cut பண்ணுங்க. Mark as C1 dash D1 dash. Okay. Now here draw a parallel line. The 3 1 3 1 2 1 க்கு you have to draw a parallel line இங்க. Okay. So இங்க இருந்து draw a perpendicular line. So intersection point is B1 dash A1 dash. So construct this rectangle. Okay. Now from the top draw a vertical line from C1 dash B1 dash from 3 1 dash 1 2 1 dash. Mark the corresponding point as 2 1 1 1. Okay. Here because 3 4 is a string edge, therefore it is shown in the dotted line. Okay, hidden lines. Okay, this ABC is a top surface. ABCD is a top surface. 1 2 3 4 is a bottom surface. Okay, in the bottom surface the outer edge is visible. 1 2 edge is visible, whereas 3 4 is invisible. Here the top surface, all our edges are visible. So A1, B1, C1, D1 are visible. So draw using this HP pencil. Okay, HP pencil வரைஞ்சிருங்க. Okay, convert all the lines into HP pencil. Okay, this square, the height, the inclined prism, and the top view, everything converted into HP pencil. Okay, finally you mark this 40, 60 and 45-degree angle. Okay, write VPHP, all dimension mm, scale 1:1. Okay, so this is a very simple problems. How to draw the square prism in the engineering graphics class. Okay, thank you for watching engineering graphics class. Kindly subscribe and share and press the bell icon, and you will get regular updates in the engineering graphics class. Okay.